Good evening once more. Getting the hold there. So we're back to online business ones and ones that I like. Done a few reviews and surveys, some good, some bad, but this is new guy I've not heard of. I take it is European biaheza's full dropping course. If happens to be watching, listening, apologise, I don't pronounce your name right. So exactly how he started multi-million dollar business from his bedroom. Enrolled $294 in my money. It's like what's that? £200. It's considering some of these courses $800 or $700-800 on average. That is kind of quite impressive. It's not too much out of your reach, but if it is, then you can always save up if you think this guy's worth listening to. So I'll get to it and let's watch and listen why we should pay $294. We'll come back in a few minutes.
Gurus will make free dropshipping courses just to string you along far enough so you sign up for all their affiliate links and they make money that way. There's a ton of free info on YouTube, of course made by people who make all of their money from AdSense revenue and sponsorship from dropshipping services. Maybe you can even find a cheaper course out there made by someone who's had a $10,000 month 5 years ago. So why pay for the info you're getting from me? Well, most of those people are just repeating regurgitated strategies that they heard from someone who's heard it from someone else. They can't pull out their phones and show you e-com sales from today, from the day before that, from the days before that. They haven't actively been in the game for the last 5 years. They're definitely not building a real live store in front of you that goes on to do $1,000 in sales its first day of being live like we do inside of this course. I've been working on and updating this course for the last 3 years. So what you're getting is current and tested info that's gotten people results. And through all of this feedback and updates that I've been rolling out, it's been molded into the most powerful, direct, to the point dropshipping course on the market. It did start out as a course that focused on dropshipping through Facebook ads and theme pages. However, theme pages have grown to be less effective and Facebook ads have grown to be incredibly expensive and just overall very strict with their policies. But the good news and the crazy paradox here is that it's actually easier to get into dropshipping now than it has been at any point in like the last 3-4 years, all thanks to the unforeseen rise of TikTok. I wholeheartedly believe we are currently in the golden age of TikTok ads. They're still new, cheap, untapped, easy to use, but they've just been around long enough to where there's enough users and the ad platform and algorithm is advanced enough to where you can use it to get sales. I mean, it's a wild west. It's like using Facebook ads in 2016, 2017. It's a huge opportunity. Now, as time goes on, I'm sure TikTok ads will grow more expensive and strict and regulated, but for now, again, it's kind of that perfect golden period of time for TikTok dropshipping. If you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase the course. It's never going to be on sale. This is the lowest price it'll ever be, and you'll have immediate access to it. Get in while it's still this golden age of TikTok ads. No one knows how long this opportunity will last, so go through it and jump out ahead. See you guys inside, where I will begin by going over what kind of products actually work for dropshipping, how to find them, and revealing ones that I've personally successfully sold before.
Okay, he's going to use TikTok ads and he's going to go through it. I would probably recommend, if you've got that money and you really want to do it. I personally wouldn't be. It's not because the guy isn't any good or he hasn't got. He's got all those sales and things, but it's not enough for me. I would want a webinar. I know they're free and going through in 40 minutes to an hour, 2 minutes. It's not enough to entice me to enroll in it. Plus, I don't do drop shipping, but we're just really reviewing it. Potentially, it can be really good, but it's not enough for me. A 2 minute video, no, that doesn't cut it. Yeah, it's got all these sales, very impressive. I like that it's some of these sales guys, the pages go on forever and ever. But to be honest, it does tell you a wee bit what's involved in it. That's good. And here's the testimonials. Before I press this button, I would probably email that and get more information. he is on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So I would reach out to him and say, what am I really getting for my money, and take it from there. Yeah, it's a potential. It could be quite good, but be sitting on the fence on this one. But what I'm not sitting on the fence is inside description will be an online business. It's really clear and what you need to do. I would really urge you consider to check it out, and we hope to see you inside. Bye bye for now.